That was a sick clip.
Oh, is that a good angle? Is that the best angle? Alright, so if you're like me, you always forget to buy a clothespin for your chips. But we got scrap wood. We're gonna make a chip clip. You got a good view?
Yeah.
Never use a saw like this.
So show us what you got.
Here's a chip clip. Just a little piece of wood with a slit in it. Roll your bag up like that. Feed it through.
Yeah, I think you folded the bag too many times.
There we go. There we go.
Oh, so it's a two-person clip. Okay. That's good. Really good.
No, he just forgot how to use it.
Oh,
It's been
that's
a while.
right.
It's been a while.
It's been a while.
Yeah, that's how you make a chip clip.
Oh! My leg was kind of numb when I got down.
Boy did not pay
I can't
attention.
use my thing.
Boy did not pay attention.
Maybe you need a
How did
wider
you do it?
slot.
Well, yeah, that'd be better.
Okay, this is a tutorial. Alright, 2 folds in half. Alright, so 2 corners, 1 half. Boom. One-handed. He's got it.
There you go. And if you cared about looks, you could dress it up nicer. Could stain it.
boy. Oh, you're talking about the clip. Dude, action shot. Wow, this is kind of a based angle. Hold on. Wait. Do it again.
How do I be cool? Is this how I be cool?
What if we filled this with beer, and then you open the valve, and you...
Oh. Do you think you could do it all in one breath?
Yeah,
Yeah?
easy.
I think you could.
It's about 2 beers. Oh.
Oh no. Oh no.
I like having teeth.
Uh-oh.
I like.
This contraption is not dentist approved.
I got it stuck.
Man, you got my shower stuck. Oh, yo, he fixed it.
Oh, give me a second. You got it. Figure it out. Oh, that didn't. Oh, it's stuck.
Hey,
Hold me now.
it's just,
I'm 6 feet. Damn it.
dang, he's got you way up there.
Oh.
Damn, you got it stuck good this time.
Oh, that's. Oh. He gonna bust his tail.
No, my tail is unbustable.
I might have to catch you.
This is insane.
Quickly, son.
This is what they did before ladders.
When were ladders invented?
Wait, why do you have
wrong
that
end.
one?
Wrong end, oops.
Jacob, what are you handing him?
Wrong end, oops.
Dude, I'm not. Oh no!
You got it.
Just jump for it. Jump for it. You got it. You're almost there.
Let me reposition my feet.
No, dude, you gotta get down.
Hold me now. I'm 6 feet.
Oh! I did it! I got a rope burn.
Hey, how do you feel after that?
I got a little bit of rope burn. Just a little bit. Hey. Can we talk about committing to the bit?